Mukbang Squad. It is your girl Bree, and I am back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Brilliant gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. I know. I'm trying to get back into the swing of doing my mukbangs. That's where a lot of my subscribers came from. So I was about to smash on this McDonald's, and I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and record me eating my quarter pounder with cheese and bacon and my french fries. Now, the french fries look a little skimpy because I was eating them on the way home. But look at that. They put some real bacon on here, y'all. Real bacon. This real bacon. Yeah. But I'm about to smash. This is going to be a quick mukbang, so I hope y'all enjoy. And of course, I have me a medium Dr. Pepper on the side, okay? Let me know how y'all day has been. Today is Monday, the 18th for me. I'm not sure when this will be up, but let's get to eating. Yep. I haven't had one of these in a long time, y'all. I haven't had McDonald's in months, I think. And I've been wanting it so bad. I've been really craving their fries. It's been a while. This was spare at the moment, but this is good. I'm supposed to be cooking. But I had a long day. I know y'all can see me in my bedroom. I normally do mukbangs in the living room, but my new filming spot is in my bedroom. I didn't feel like moving all my stuff downstairs for one video. Woo. All right, Dr. Pepper. Onions on there. It's good. I don't really be wanting no pickles on here. Am I the only one that pull my pickles off? And I don't tell them no pickles, no onions, and all that type of stuff. I just keep everything on there, and if I don't like it, I pull it off. I don't know why. Some more pickle? Hmm. I haven't had no beef since I had that last burger from Big Daddy's. I had chicken last night. I eat before then. Golden chick. So chicken. Whew. Oh, excuse me. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but Sparkle playing with her toy downstairs. When I got the door closed, I can still hear it. Mm. Mm. Oh, y'all. I'm good. Mm. I was stuffing my mouth and then too. Ooh. 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 Excuse me. It's gonna be a short mukbang. I was hungry. Hmm. Y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all ate tonight. Why y'all watching me eat? What y'all eating? If y'all can't tell, I'm trying to get back in the swing of posting multiple times a week. I've been posting at least once a week to keep a little momentum going, but I need to post at least 3 times a week, y'all. I went from 5 to 1. Excuse me. Sorry. Yeah, I'm full. I'm full. I'm finna lay down, watch some TV until I doze off, okay? Probably fix me a glass of wine and I'm gonna be out like a light, okay? So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next freaking video. Bye.